everybody. I would like to present another couple of very good books to you. Recommendations. Read these books because they're very, very interesting. The first one is just more factual than anything else, but it is very illuminating. It's called Supercontinent by the author Ted Neild. Here it is. And it's about, obviously, continental drift and how this has led in the past to there existing one major landmass that encompassed all the continents as we know them today, and how that has since split up and broken up into the landmasses we know on the Earth today. But it also illustrates that this is only the last installment of a major cycle in which our planet is engaged, and that this is by no means the first time there has been a supercontinent on this planet, nor will it be the last time. He shows a projection of what the next continent might look like, the next supercontinent might look like, when that might be. And he talks about Gondwana land and Pangaea, the last supercontinent, and the ones that went before it. But he also touches on mythology, some pseudoscience surrounding the idea of supercontinents, and some other very interesting ideas. Towards the end of the book, it gets really interesting when he touches on the Permian explosion, or the Cambrian explosion, on the development of multicellular life, and how life might have, thanks to continental drift and thanks to subduction and processes like that, how life might have actually managed to escape from its original environment near the hot wells at the bottom of the sea. He also touches on abiogenesis, and anybody who fancies themselves a creationist and who likes trotting out the old red herrings about how life couldn't have come from non-life should read this amongst many other books, just to see how wrong they really are. The second book is very different indeed. It's called The Age of Wonder by the author Richard Holmes. There it is, The Age of Wonder. And it is basically a narrative made up out of a number of biographies of scientists involved in the romantic age of science. This includes people like Humphrey Davy, for example, or Joseph Banks, people like John Herschel, who discovered Uranus, and a number of people like that. Not only does it tell the story of their lives, but it also tells how they approached their scientific endeavors, how it basically led to science being established as a proper discipline of human knowledge, how they looked at reality and how they engaged with reality, the whole romantic aspect of it, and the whole, the way that these people could be scientifically minded on the one hand and engage in this naturalistic philosophy and engage with nature through experiment and other ways of finding out what made nature tick. And in the meantime, these people were poets and artists and romantics, basically. People like Humphrey Davy not only invented very practical things like the gas lamp that has saved so many lives in the mines, in the coal mines, by preventing methane gas explosions, but he also wrote excellent poetry. These people were in touch with poets like Shelley and Coleridge and so on and so forth. It really gives a beautiful insight into what a naturalist's life was like in that age. It was a wonderful read. I enjoyed every page of this. So these are the two books I would like to recommend today: Supercontinent and The Age of Wonder. Thank you.